Sometimes we even used to say that Kerala Tourism Development Corporation doesn't know that the northern part of Kerala is also part of this territory, because totally ignored when it comes to tourism. Our focus, or perhaps they were totally obsessed by Kovalam and three or four destinations. But there are many things that Kerala has to offer when it comes to tourism. What are they, especially, what are they, those in Calicut, what we are going to discuss, all the questions that we are going to address. Now the presentation objectives, number one was explore tourism prospects of Calicut, number one. Position Calicut in Kerala tourism. Now, I hope you have learned what positioning and differentiation is. I'll come to it later. You might have learned it in marketing. Third objective, to conduct a SWOT analysis, strength, weakness, opportunities, threats of what Calicut can offer in tourism, and put forth some suggestions.
What's your roll number?
When present a 365-day tourism model, as I told you, this presentation was with the theme of developing a 365-day model exclusively for Calicut, how we can attract tourism around the country.
Yeah, Shilpa said 10 to
The source of data was purely secondary. That itself can be a major limitation of the study. When you rely more on secondary information, what is the problem? I rely mostly on KTPC and other printed resources. They will show you what they have. They won't show you what they don't have. Normally they present a rosy picture. So there are chances, but I've tried to include my own personal observations as also some other general statistics, which I think I've tried to avoid such a bias. Anyway, these are my presentation objectives, which will also be the scheme of this presentation. The source of data, as I told, is secondary. I'll be very quick in making and very short in making the presentation. I don't know whether I'm crossing the limits. I'll be short as that of a beginning. I'll be short as that of a beginning, so that I can get time for some hot debates and discussion. I'll be lengthy as that of a beginning, so that I can cover every important points, every crucial point. Let's look at the history. What is history?
Past.
What we learn from history?
Experience.
I think what we have learned from our history is that we don't learn anything from our history. I'm sorry, those are there from history departments. We don't learn anything from our history. We had many wars in the past. We know how much pain, how much suffering it causes. You know, the agony, the stress. But we still continue with the war in Iran, Iraq. Have we learned anything from history? Have we? But the biggest contrast of history is that is the same history which makes us pride of our rich culture, our tradition, our values. There lies the contrast. We don't learn anything, at the same time we learn many things from history. Kerala, of course, has got such a history, especially Calicut has also got such a history.